Hi everyone, my name is Barbara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this. What I've just done is in one click deleted all of the shapes in all of the worksheets in this Excel workbook. I had to use this recently. I had some text boxes in multiple worksheets in multiple workbooks and I had to delete only the shapes in the workbook but had to leave the rest of it intact. So that was a good job, I thought, for a very small piece of Visual Basic code or a macro. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So what the code will do is one by one delete all of the shapes on the worksheet, and then it will move to the next worksheet in the workbook and do the same thing until it's deleted all of the shapes in the workbook. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is go to the Developer tab and hit Visual Basic. If you haven't already got a module, go Insert a Module. And then the next thing we do is declare the start of a new subroutine, or just create the macro. So we start that by typing sub, which is a subroutine, and then we call it something. So it's not very inspiring. We'll say delete all shapes. And then Excel actually puts the end sub or the end routine line in for us, which is always useful. So the first thing we want to do is declare a few variables. The first variable we want to declare is the worksheets. So I'll just say ws as a worksheet, and then this will be used to reference each of the worksheets in the workbook. The next one is the shapes. So let's say shp as shape. So now we've got two variables. One that will store or be used to reference each of the worksheets, and then we've got one to store or reference each of the shapes in the worksheet. That sounds good. So the next thing we want to do is we'll loop through each of the worksheets in the workbook and loop through all of the shapes in each of the worksheets. So the first thing, we'll use the for each looping method for each worksheet in this workbook. Worksheets. So now we're looking at each of the worksheets in only the current workbook. Within there, what we want to do is nest another small loop to say, and for each shape in the worksheet .Shapes. So that's the nested loop that will go through each of the shapes that are in each of the worksheets. So what do we want to do with the shapes? We actually want to delete them. So within this, we can say shp.Delete. So that will delete all of the shapes. So that will delete the current shape. We then want to move it on to the next shape. And then what we want to do is move it on to the next worksheet. So now we have our loop that will go through each of the worksheets. Within there we have the loop that goes through each of the shapes in the worksheet, and this will loop until all of the shapes in the worksheets have been deleted. So why don't we test it? So let's come out of there, and then we can go to macros, and then I found my macro, and let's run it. And they've gone. So with this very small but powerful piece of code, we've looped through all of the worksheets, and it doesn't matter how many worksheets you've got in your workbook or how many shapes, it'll go through and it will delete them all for you with a click of a button. I'll leave the code in the box below if you want to use it. Feel free to use it, and I do hope you enjoyed the video and got something out of it. If you did, leave a comment, give it a thumbs up or subscribe. It really does help the channel. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comment box below. I read all comments and answer your questions. I'll see you next time for another Excel video. Thanks for watching.